Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. If you are here for the first time, welcome. If you have been with me for a while, welcome. I appreciate each and every one of you and I'm so happy that you are here. So with that being said, let's get started. Can anyone guess what I'm making today? Well, if you guess Bajan Pudding and Souse, well then you are correct. And these are the West Indian potatoes or Caribbean sweet potatoes, the ones with the red skin. If you're making this dish, this is the potato that you need to use, all right? Okay, so we have one more thing to put in here, and that is the chicken, the other white meat. So I'm going to give this a taste for you, let you know how it tastes. Oh my, excuse me. Okay. It's the pepper, guys. All right, it is good, but it is a little hot. If you like pepper, that is really good for you, okay? So, but the salt is good, lime is good, it's just right on. All right, so now we're gonna put some chicken in here. And you don't need to put any water with this, guys, because the cucumber, you know, that creates its own juices. It's pretty much water, cucumber, and then you have your lime juice and the salt, okay? All right, so we're gonna give this a good stir. Okay guys, so this looks good. So I'm gonna cover this with some plastic wrap, and I'm gonna put it in the refrigerator to chill while I get started on the pudding. Okay. Here is hubby grating the sweet potato. Okay everyone, so I'm going to be taking a different course of action with the potato. So I baked it in the convection oven and I did not like the texture of it, and I'm going to be making it in the microwave oven, okay? Trust me guys, I've made it already in the microwave and it came out beautifully, okay? You have to trust me on this. The convection oven can be very tricky, okay? This is the first time I've actually done it in the convection oven, and yeah, it did not come out as I had expected it to. So guys, this is just another way for you to try this steamed pudding, okay? I would highly suggest, you know, if you steam it, that would be great, or microwavable. If you really like it, the texture of it in the convection oven, then by all means do that. You know, I don't want to deter you from, you know, trying it or to say it's not good. I just did not like the texture of it, okay? So FYI. Okay, so we're gonna start by adding all of our ingredients. Okay, so we're going to mix until it's well combined. And the last thing we're going to add is the browning. Okay, so now I'm going to add the browning, and I'm going to start with 1 tablespoon. And I tasted it already, guys, and it is perfect. Okay, so I think it's safe to say that we can add a little bit more of the browning. So I think the texture is really good on this, and it really doesn't need water to bind, but I'm going to put in 1/8 of a cup. Okay, so this looks really good. So now I'm going to transfer this into a greased dish. Then I'm going to cover it with some plastic wrap, and we're going to put it in the microwave for the potato cycle. You have to choose the potato cycle, okay? And you might have to put it for maybe 2 or 3 times the most, but after the first cycle is done, you want to take it out and you're gonna, give it a good stir, okay? Then you're going to put it back in again and for a second time. If you think it need to go for a 3rd time, then you put it back in again, and that's it. All right. Here is the finished product of my steamed sweet potato, my Bajan pudding and souse. So I had to put it in like 3.5 cycles, okay, to get the end results, okay? What do you think, guys? Done in the microwave. Okay, so I'm gonna plate it for you and let you see what everything looks like. Okay everyone, here is the finished product of my Bajan pudding and souse. Guys, it smells like the real McCoy, it looks like the real McCoy, and it sure does taste like the real McCoy. So guys, if you don't eat pork, you can still enjoy Bajan pudding and souse with chicken and done in the microwave. So guys, I want to thank you all so very much. I hope you enjoy this tutorial, and if you do, please give me a big thumbs up, and I will see you again in the next video. Bye bye.